Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We can present about type of highway maintenance in chapter 9. Table of content. First, routine maintenance. Second, periodic maintenance. And lastly, emergency maintenance. I can introduce my group's member. First, my name is Muhammad Syahid Azimi bin Muhammad Samsuri. My matrix number is 13DKA22F1130. And second, my partner is Muhammad Denis Haikal bin Johari. Matrix number is 13DKA22F1014. And last person is Muhammad Idham bin Omar. Matrix number is 13DKA22F1138. First, routine maintenance. These are work that are undertaken each year and then are funded from the recursion budget. Activities can be grouped into the cycling and relative work types. Cycling works are when the maintenance standard indicate the frequency at which activities should be undertaken. The activities may a request interval throughout the year depending on the damage effect on the traffic. Rain intensity. They include first, repairing proposed rust depression and crack etc. Correction the edges of the pavement and the shoulders. Relative work are those where a vegetation level defined in the maintenance standard are used to determine when maintenance is a need. Relative work are those where vegetation levels defined in the maintenance standard are used to determine when a maintenance is needed. First, pavement. Pothole patching, sealing on the surface crack, cleaning vegetation on the paved surface, repair to the concrete pavement joints, paving block and slab. Second, road shoulder. Regrading and topping up of the shoulder as a requires, filling irregularities in a unsealed shoulder and filling pavement shoulder level is different. Grass cutting, cut and dispose grass. Roadside furniture, cleaning of the road, signage, guardrail, kilometer post and delineator post as a per seconds. Rough and curve, cleaning work and removal of the vegetation as a per seconds. Drainage, cleaning and desettling work as a per cycles.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Denis Haikal bin Johari and my matric number is 13GKA22F1014. Okay, next we go to the periodic maintenance. This include activities undertaken at intervals of several years to preserve the structural integrity of the road or to enable the road to carry increased axle loadings. The category normally includes those works that change the geometry of a road by widening or realignment. Periodic maintenance works comprise: first, preventive maintenance work; second, pavement strengthening of roads; third, repair, replacement and installation of roadside furniture, drains, culverts, slopes and guardrails.
Emergency maintenance. These are activities whose needs cannot be estimated with any certainty in advance. The activities include emergency works to repair landslides and washouts that result in the road being cut off or made impossible. A contingency allowance is normally included within the recurrent budget to fund these works, although separate special contingency funds may also be provided. This slide is about traffic management, clearing works and provision of temporary diversions in the event of slope failure, bridge or culvert failure, and traffic management, clearing works in the event of oil or chemical spills, floods or fallen trees. An effective way of dealing with storm damage to roads and property is to provide for an emergency response program in which personnel and equipment can be mobilized as needed on short notice. The purpose of the plan is to first, prevent loss of life or injury. Second, prevent damage to soils, streams, fisheries, and other resources. Third, prevent and or minimize damage to capital improvements, private property, roads, and other features. Fourth, provide for efficient, economical, and necessary use of available finance, equipment, and personnel. And the last one is to evaluate structural and resource damage when it occurs and determine needs for corrective measures to prevent further damage. Project goals. Necessary items to include in a storm response action plans are: first, a system to collect and analyze weather, soil, and road conditions. Second, a communication system between personnel responsible for activating the storm action plan. Third, establishment of organizational plans and responsibilities for prevention and control of storm damage. Fourth, methods of financing and documenting costs of personnel and equipment. Outline of individual authorized to use finance, personnel, and equipment. Fifth, telephone numbers for providing public information and communication with law enforcement and other public agencies. And the last one, storm damage reporting procedure.
Weather data should be collected daily and should include daily amounts of precipitation, cumulative precipitation per storm, total per season, month, etc. Any information indicating runoff amounts, temperature change, wind, and barometric pressure should be noted. Additional or more frequent information updates can be requested as conditions warrant. A rating system for storms can be developed based on historical data and or local knowledge. For each condition, a specific set of activities ranging from observation to full region wide patrols and work teams will be identified. So that's all from our group. Thank you.